Hi guys, Jack here. Today we're going to take a look at the Lego City construction roller set. Come with one minifigure, retail for $10 and came out in 2024. Come with 78 pieces, recommend for 5 plus. So we'll take a look at the minifigure first. The minifigure come with a hat, a hard hat, and a shovel and a vest. See the orange pants, and then we see on the back some other details. But yeah, here is the minifigure. Now here we have the set. You can lift this up and put the minifigure in it, and you can see it rolls pretty good. And yeah, and here we have the orange rims. Then here we have all around. But yeah, and then here's the box. And here we have the back of the box. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Lego City construction roller set, and I see y'all next time.